Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create self-sorting columns in Power BI. If you've ever built a report and noticed your days, months, or categories aren't sorting in the logical order you expected, you're not alone. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to control the sorting order, so your visuals make sense at a glance, and your audience gets a crystal clear story from your data. Let's jump right in. To start off, we need some sample data to play with. Feel free to copy the sample table I'm showing on screen or pause the video to enter it into Excel, or just paste it directly into Power by using the Enter Data option. We've got columns for day name, month name, sales category, and sales. This is great because we'll be sorting all three: days, months, and category, here where the magic starts. Step 1 is to create sorting columns using DAX. Open up your Power BI report and select the table you're working with. Head to the Modeling tab and click New Column. First, let's make a column for sorting days of the week numerically, since by default, Power BI might think Monday is the same as any other text entry, not the first day. In the formula bar, you'll paste in a DAX expression, something like day sort equals switch true, day name equals Monday 1, day name equals Tuesday 2, day name equals Sunday 7. What this does is assign a number to each weekday, so Monday is always first, Tuesday second, and so on. It's a bit like teaching Power BI to know the calendar order instead of sorting alphabetically. Do the same for months. Add a new column called month sort, and use a switch function to map each month name to its corresponding number, January as 1, all the way through December as 12. Power BI, left to its own devices, would sort months as April, August, December, which is confusing. With this, you give it a clear structure that matches how people expect to read dates. Finally, one more new column. Category sort. In my example, I've got high, medium, and low for the sales categories, but you can customize these for your data. Assign high as 1, medium as 2, low as 3. This trick lets you enforce a meaningful business order so that high always comes first in charts instead of letting Power BI decide by alphabet. Alright, step 2. This is where you tell Power BI to actually use your new sorting columns. Don't skip this. Select the day name column, go up to the Sort by Column option and pick Day Sort. Repeat the process for month name, connecting it to month sort. Same thing for sales category, sort it by category sort. It's like linking two puzzle pieces together. Now Power BI will always arrange your categories just how you told it to. Now it's time for the fun part, testing it out in your visuals. Drag day name onto a column charts axis and add sales as the value. You'll notice the days now appear in natural order, Monday through Sunday. Try the same with month name, they'll appear neatly from January to December. And if you look at your sales category breakdowns, you'll see high, medium, and low show up in the right business order, not randomly or alphabetically. And that's all there is to it. By using these custom sort columns, you bring clarity and professionalism to your Power BI reports. I hope this walkthrough made things easy to follow. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get comfortable with DAX columns. It really does get intuitive with practice. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own Power BI tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.